Hello friends, how have you been doing? I hope all of you are doing very well and feeling fantastic in your own life. So basically today in this video, I will tell you how to express or how to say time in an advanced way. See, if I ask you, what is the time right now? Normally you will say it's 10:05, right? And in our daily conversation, we normally say like this. But in an advanced way, it is called 5 minutes past 10. Similarly, if I ask you what is the time right now, normally you will say it's 10:15, right? But in advance, it is called quarter past 10. Similarly, it is not 10:30. It is half past 10. Again, it is not 10:45. It is called 15 minutes to 11. Now I think you have not understood anything, but don't get confused, because in this video I will tell you how to express time or how to say time in an advanced way. And you know, in my every video I give you an easy trick or a short trick so that you can remember whole things very easily. Okay, so just first, for advanced way, you need to remember two things in your mind. First, if time is left or time is gone or time is past, you will use the word past, P-A-S-T, past. Got it? And if time is remaining, for remaining time you will use to, tu. So again, listen to me carefully. If time is past, you will use past word. If time is remaining, you will use to word. Okay, now let's start. See, what is the time? Don't say 10:05. In advance, you will say 5 minutes past 10. Why 5 minutes past 10? Because 5 minutes already passed from 10. Okay, so you will say 5 minutes past 10, or you can say 55 minutes to 11. Why 55 minutes to 11? Because 55 minutes are remaining until 11. Okay, so if I give you another example, you will understand very clearly. See, it is not 10:10. You will call it 10 minutes past 10, because the 10 minutes already passed from 10. So you can say either 10 minutes past 10 or 50 minutes to 11. Why 50 minutes to 11? Because 50 minutes already remaining until 11. You can say either of them. You can use past or to, but in our daily conversation we normally use past word. Okay, so you can use either of them. Now I think you have got your answer, how to use past or how to use to. See, what is the time right now? It is not 10:35. 35 minutes past 10 or 25 minutes to 11. Okay, you can say either of them. You can use past or to, anyone or both. Okay, so now let's talk about our another topic, and that is how to use quarter and how to use half. Okay, see, it is neither 10:15 nor 15 minutes past 10. You cannot say either of them. Why? Because 3, 9 and 6, for these three numbers you will have to use three different things. For 3 you will use quarter past, and for 9 you will use quarter to. Just remember these two things. Like it is, if I ask you what is the time right now, you will have to say it is quarter past 10. And if I ask you what is the time right now, you will have to say quarter to 11. Now the question is, why quarter past and why quarter to? See, quarter past because 15 minutes already left. So you cannot say 15 minutes past 10. You will have to say quarter past 10. Okay, and you cannot say 15 minutes to 11. You will have to say quarter to 11 because 15 minutes are remaining. Got it? Now half. 6 means half. Always remember this thing, 6. Now the time is 5 minutes past 10. Now 10 minutes past 10. Quarter past 10. 20 minutes past 10. 25 minutes past 10. And now half past 10. Now you can say 35 minutes past 10 or 25 minutes to 11, either of them. Now it's 40 minutes past 10. Now quarter to 11. Now you can see here 10 minutes to 11, and now 5 minutes to 11, already 11. Okay, so now I think you have understood how to express time. If you have not understood anything, just watch this video again 2 times, 3 times, as much as you can. So I think you have understood how to express time. You have to remember just some things: past, to, quarter, and half. These 4 things. Okay, so if you think this video is helpful for you, you have learned something new from this video, please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, or if you are watching this video on Facebook, then must follow our Facebook page. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will catch you in my next video. Thank you so much.